Hi, I'm Dr. Cameron Keeney with the Center for Sleep Apnea and TMJ. One of the treatments that I've alluded to in some of my other videos would be using Botox to help muscles relax. So I get the question a lot, how does Botox work? Is it safe? How often do I need to use Botox? So at my office, when I use Botox, I'm not using it cosmetically. I use it for people with headaches or really tight jaw muscles. And usually I'm going to put that Botox in the masseter muscles or the temporalis muscles. When we do Botox, basically the way it works is it paralyzes certain muscle fibers or strands so that you just basically can't use those muscles to clench as hard. This can be super beneficial for people that have a lot of jaw pain or soreness, or again, tension type headaches due to maybe clenching their teeth at nighttime. Botox luckily is very safe. There's been lots and lots of studies that have shown over time the effectiveness and safety of Botox. Botox usually for most people needs to be redone once every 3 months for maximum effectiveness. We find that with a lot of people that as we do Botox, along with usually some type of a guard at nighttime, that we can have very nice results. If you'd like to learn more about this, please visit our website, sleepidaho.com, or call us at 208-376-3600.